Kanisa ya Kianglikana ntere chiembu nirete thirikari itethirie kanisa kurwa na mantu ya moya kiuntwira ya JATIBUI maturene bakerebo wite mantu ya kwarania na bungwa barabe thirite bakirekero ya tethie bunene kiri mantu ya kwarithia matura ndene ya mongo ya Kenya. Rita Mwaniko Mushiri aina riboti.
Thirikari nene na iria cia kaunti ni iraurwo kugwatanira na makanitha niguo gukinyira andu engi makiria kumavonokia kumana na mauru maria mekaga makaumia kana kuongerera wira wa thirikari. Kuringana na Director of Mission thiini wa kanitha wa ACK niwe John Mark Oduor arauga andu engi no makorwe mari avata makiria thiini wa matura angikorwa tu no marungo mitugo yao ni kanitha na thirikari igwatanirite no atete thirikari kana kanitha eyoka.
The government here should be able to say, what can we do to support? Because when we go and pray with prisoners and they recover, some of them come out better transformed and reformed. When we go to hospital and pray with people and they get well and they come out, we are cutting the budget cost on health. When we go to schools and do chaplaincy and work with students and they come out better, we are actually promoting better citizenry.
Mwenali wake, Executive Director wa ACK Mission in Africa niwe Richard Mayapi ni urendekithia kanitha na Kristo onthe gutambia injiri ya ma na iria irava andu mwivoko no atete kumenderia cieraniro cia maveni.
The church on the continent of Africa is at crossroad, if I can be very honest. At crossroad because we are now confronted with secularism. We are confronted with pluralism. We are confronted with relativism. A culture that many Africans now are adopting. And therefore there is need for the church to call people back to Christ and to remind them that Christ is the hope amidst of hopelessness.
Goko Bishop wa ACK Diocese ya Mbere niwe Moses Masamba akiuga thina wa meciria ni kimwe kia maundu maria marathenia ekari amwe na uyu makiria ni undu wa umu wa muturire mithenya turi.
Tunapitia changamoto mingi kule kwa vijiji, kama vile tulisema siku nyingine, mental health imekuwa changamoto kubwa, mambo ya ulevi, maisha ingine ambayo inaweza suiwa inaendelea mbaya na watu wafurahi maisha. Kwa hivyo yetu katika hii mission ni kurejeza watu kwa tumaini, watumainie Mungu kupitia Kristo na mambo itaendelea kuwa sawa.
Ni maragia miario ino mari mwena wa kathindro ACK mwena wa Siakago kuria kurai na mambura ma kwamura a Kristo makiria ya ngiri 2 aria makuthie na matura magitambagia kiugo kia Ngai. Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbetagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.